I'm not going to warn you. No.
Not gonna call it. All right. Well, good luck.
I'm going to show you one thing and attack the other. The art of deception. I mean, if I tell you ahead of time, you'll spend all night trying to defend that one position. So.
Do you even know where that?
I haven't even really thought about this sequence.
Do you know what book that's from?
Yeah.
Which book?
Sun Tzu. I found it in the cabinet. It's being lit up with a blue light right now.
So I almost did buy that watch.
You did.
Yeah, I didn't buy it though. You know why?
Your wrists were kind of skinny. These are 8-inch wrists. Those are like 6.5.
Who needs a watch?
Those are what would be considered petite little wrists. That's why he taps fast on wrist locks. But I don't even really attack her vulnerability.
I did wrist lock.
I think it was close.
There's a wrister.
I have to go back and review the tape.
We can. You know what? Everybody's going to be able to review the tape.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand.
You want me to write it out for you what I'm going to do today?
I've been trying to fight you for like...
Butterfly sweep to X guard into a little wrist lock for the twister. A Texas toe twister. I already did that yesterday.
You don't really look good though.
They sing on the sleepless night.
What about leaving?
Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say no to sleepless night. Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises, when the sun we're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. We're trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me. Trying to catch me howling at the moon.
But we learn from each other, you know? Even just rolling, playing around. Sure, we're playful, man. We're having a good time.
But the movement's there. I mean, the movement's still the same.
The intensity's still there. But it's more like,
Your base is good. Really good.
I don't know, like to me, rolling like this with you, yeah, it's technical. And there's lots happening. But, you know, it's also fun to like kind of talk a little smack.
I mean, you know, if you see the opportunity,
It's like, you know,
needs to.
yeah. Would you like to try to shoot me again?
Don't ever let them underestimate you. Don't ever let them doubt you to the point that you start believing what they say. Don't ever tell yourself that it's actually only you, because really, it's you you and everybody else that ever believes in you at one time. And you gotta channel all of those people into everything you do. So you can be the face of it. So they can be proud of what you're doing. Cause they gotta believe in it. And so do you. Psychosis. Mostly me too.
Did you order my tombstone here?
Nope. You're still alive.
Thanks to you, buddy.
Yeah, man. We had a good time. Glad we could do this again and you didn't die on me.
You saved me just for this, huh?
Yeah.
Who else is your big brother that's going to roll in from Austin?
I can't.
Who else? Your green dummy doesn't fight back like that.
No.
So at least I'm good.
That was a good. You got that looping choke, and then it looked like rolling. I was like, oh.
Well, you gave me the idea.
I was just a little sad, but now, after that ass kicking I just gave you, I felt pretty good about myself.
Didn't it?
No, it felt good though. I popped my back like right into the beginning of it. I rolled the whole time with my back popped. I was like, oh. No, actually it was the second
Probably
part.
from my initial takedown. That
No.
usually snaps people's backs in
You
half.
didn't take anything down.
Well, I'm not sure what it is then. It could have been, the butterfly sweep.
I got you at the same
I'm not sure.
takedown
It could have
that
been
I
the
did.
landing. It was a very hard impact.